Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix Koorui monitor no sound. So, first one is verify that your monitor has a built-in speaker, and some models lacks internal speakers and require external audio devices. Now, with that said, if your monitor has a built-in speaker, connect your device using an HDMI cable as HDMI supports both video and audio signal, and if you're using a DisplayPort, just make sure your monitor supports audio over DisplayPort because some monitors may not transmit audio through the DisplayPort, necessitating an alternative audio connection. Now, in order for you to adjust the audio settings on your device, just simply navigate to your device sound settings and select the monitor as the default audio output device, and on the monitor, just simply access the monitor on-screen display menu to adjust the volume settings. Now, another option that you have is make sure that your device audio drivers are up to date to prevent any compatibility issue. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.